Right, so this morning we got a beautiful loaf of fresh bread here, just baked this morning. This is a multi-grain seeded loaf, so lovely seeds on there, nice and crispy, crunchy. So that's been out of the oven about 2 hours ago. So now I'm going to kind of just show you a quick lunch really with it. What do you do with your sourdough when you've got it out of the oven and it's beautiful like this? So we'll just cut into it. Put it inside. As you can see, beautiful loaf there, really nice, full of, that's got dark rye flour in it, there's whole grain flour in there, bread flour, and seeds on top. So that's going to make a lovely lunch. So there we go. So I'll now go through and find something yummy to do with it from the fridge. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Thank you. Okay, so I just cut a couple of slices off here. This is going to be for open sandwiches. It's really fresh, so like all fresh bread, it's kind of a bit hard to cut. Take to put it on. It's lovely. So on this side as well. Ah, beautiful big hole in this one, that's interesting. Yeah, be delicious. I'll move that out of the way. So basically now what I'm going to do is do a nice topping for the bread there. So these are ingredients probably you've all got at home. Nice simple stuff. So just some grated cheese, nice strong grated cheese, some red cabbage, carrot, tomato and onion. So what I'm going to do first of all, just make a kind of a really nice vinaigrette dressing, kind of almost like kind of a chutney with the cabbage and the onion. So what I'll do now is just quickly chop up a little bit of the onion on here, quite finely. So a bit of finely chopped onion. That's great. Down here. So not too much, just enough to give a little bit of flavour. So there you go, it's enough for kind of one portion. And my finely sliced red cabbage there. A little bit of apple cider vinegar on there, beautiful. A little bit of pepper in there. Tiny bit of olive oil. And now really just kind of scrunch that up so you get all the vinegar, all the flavour in there. That's lovely on there. So it kind of changes the way it looks. It means you get that lovely kind of pickle effect, but really quick and easy to do. So there we go. That's like that. The hands. Now I'm just going to grate a little bit of carrot to go on there. Really, again, this is a really simple one. You can do that in minutes at home, but you've got some nice veggies in here. So nice and healthy. So just enough for a portion, really. Yeah, that's great. And a little bit of tomato as well. So I've just got some nice little slices here of this. Nice ripe tomato. Should be enough for 2 sandwiches, or 2 open sandwiches. So now really what we're going to do now is just maybe just layer things out on here. So really, again, really simple. So a bit of cheese on here. Let's put that out. And put the layer of carrot on top. Beautiful colour. Next our pickle over here. So a little bit of this on top. Going to give it a lovely crunchiness to it, and also a lovely kind of slightly tart pickled cabbage flavour. There, so that's looking good. And then our lovely tomato on top. There we go. That looks great. So there we go, that's kind of pretty much topped up there with our flavourings. I'll just move this out of the way so we can show the next little step. Great, so that's looking really nice. So I'm just going to kind of really dress it now. So we're going to put, I've got a little bit of mint here from the garden. So I think mint's really lovely on top, kind of makes it, freshens it up a little bit. So I just wash the mint. A few little bits on top. Not too fancy on there. It smells beautiful when the mint goes on. That lovely kind of fresh mint smell to it all. Really lovely on there. A little bit of olive oil on top. Tiny bit of olive oil. It's beautiful. Some cracked pepper to finish it off. Maybe just, if you want a little tiny bit of salt in there as well, just a tiny sprinkle, that's enough. It's enough on there. And there you go. So that's freshly made open sandwich, whole grain bread with seeds. We've got cheese in there. We've got the pickled cabbage and onion, beautiful fresh tomatoes, mint on top, seasoned, delicious. Well, what a nicer lunch can you have? So that's going to be great. I'm going to enjoy that now for well, maybe in about 5 minutes time. So thanks for watching, and I'll do some more in the future.